Hi kids, this is the third and final video for this particular challenge, and we have already done A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and Q. Wow, that's 17 letters, and we're going to do the final 9 letters of the alphabet today. So we are going to be doing R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, now we're going to write the letters. I'm not going to fold the paper first. I'm going to use the words big line, big curve, and little curve as I write the capital letters. We're going to start with R, big line down, jump back up, little curve, and then we kick it out with a little line. The sound is R, right? And then we're going to do S, little curve this way, little curve that way. T, big line down, jump back up, and a big line. U, big line, little curve, big line. V, big line. And we're going to jump back up, big line. W, big line down, big line up, big line down, big line up. And all of the lines are diagonal. WX, big line, cross it with another big line. Those lines are diagonal too, huh? Diagonal, 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 diagonal. Good word to know. All right, XY. So we start with a diagonal little line. Jump back up, diagonal little line, and then a little line down. And the final letter would be a Z. Little line, diagonal big line, little line. Now I'm going to cut them up. We're going to fold them and put them in a bowl, or a bag, or a hat, or whatever you got. And now it's time to choose. Ooh, U. U. The sound is or U. I'm going to save that one. Come back to it. X. X. Not a lot of words that start with X, but I made some X's on my calendar to show the days that have gone by. So I'm going to say X. T. T. Towel. W. Wah. Wah. Oh, I have some Windex. I was cleaning. Windex. Wah. Wah. Windex. That's a W. You know what I was cleaning? The windows. That's another W. All right, let's see what I got here. V. I know. In my refrigerator, I have vegetables. Look at my veggies. V for vegetables. So healthy. All right. V for vegetables. What's next? S. S. Sponge for washing. Sponge. S for sponge. I'm really good at this today. R. Hey, where did I find my vegetables? In the refrigerator. Look at my beautiful art here. Thanks, kids. And I've got Y. Yeah. I know, we're going to have to go in the other room for this. Y. Yeah. Yarn. I love yarn. I'm making this. Guess what? It's a quilt. It's gonna be a quilt. That was yesterday. Q for quilt. Y for yarn. And the last one from the bowl was Z. And I happen to have these Ziploc bags. Z for Ziploc. They're the ones that have the zippers on top. Now, I couldn't figure out U before, so I have to go back to it. I put it aside for a little bit. Now, I know where I can find something that starts with an but we have to go outside. U for umbrella. Look at this beautiful umbrella. It looks like the sky. Okay, so your challenge is to do what I just did. You're going to write the letters, cut them up, put them in a bowl, mix them up, and then walk around your house or your yard or wherever you are and find things that start with those sounds.